Welcome to my channel guys, this is Nabanita and today I am reviewing the GoNoise ColorFit Pro 2. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing.
GoNoise ColorFit Pro 2 is a full touch control smartwatch. It's said to have 10-day battery life. It's stamped with IP68 Waterproof, multi-sports mode and complete health tracking. Priced at Rs 3499 in Amazon and Flipkart, its MRP is 4999. I purchased it from the official website at 3199. This watch will pair up with your phone using the GoNoise Fit app, which is available in the Play Store and also Apple Store. The available colors are jet black, teal green and mist gray. Okay, the watch looks pretty rad. Let's check out the content in the box, shall we? Okay, here's a USB charger. Pretty impressive magnetic charger. Here is the manual book from GoNoise ColorFit Pro 2. And here's the warranty card. You need to register your product. Just scan the QR. Let us check out the strap. It's a nice rubber strap. I like it. Okay, it says please charge before use. Awesome. But before that, most satisfying part of the video. Okay, my watch is at full charge and I've not connected it with the app yet, so it shows 1st January. The touch is pretty good. It's really smooth. To figure out the navigation though. Okay, here are some features like your heart rate monitor, do not disturb, etc. And there's your alarm, sports mode, and a manual heart rate sensor. I'm gonna attach the strap now. It's a tough job, and it's clipped on. I'm gonna quickly install the GoNoise Fit app and show you how to set it up with your watch. I'm just gonna grant the permissions quickly. And here we are, ready to pair. So the app is ready and this is how it looks, by the way. I'm gonna wear the watch now. Oh my god, wait, what am I doing? Okay, so the watch feels great. The grip is nice, no doubt. But what I'm not liking is, this extra strap that is out from that side. If I try to adjust it on this side, it's gonna get loose and hang a bit. There's no choice for you but to keep it out and awkward out on that side. Hi guys, so I have been using this watch for over 2 weeks now, and I'd say that the watch does not do a lot, but it serves the purpose of being a 3.5K watch. The battery is pretty good. With the first charge, it ran for say 7 or 8 days for me. With medium use, like I mentioned before, there is obviously a little bit of lag when you lift up your wrist. Other than that, the watch gives you a sports mode, a manual heart rate reader, a breathe option for you to relax for a minute or two. There's alarm clocks, there's music control on your watch, there's stopwatch, there are the settings where you can dim your brightness up to 3 levels, and then there's your sports record. The watch also features a female health tracking system, which is totally useless if you have PCOD. So I mentioned that the watch is IP68 waterproof, right? Now what does that mean? your watch is going to be totally fine up to a depth of 1.5 meter water for about say 30 minutes only. Well, let me give you the news. ColorFit Pro 2 has got an update, and I'm gonna show you what this crazy update is. When I received the device, there were 5 watch faces. I'm gonna show you what these were. This is number 1, that's 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one. So after I updated my app, I got this option here which says watch faces. Let's tap on it. Okay, so it says that we can customize our watch face. Change background image. I'm gonna quickly select one image just to show you guys in the video. Gonna resize it a bit. Confirm. Okay, it's gonna take a while, I guess. Let's just wait it out. Oh, I think it's done. Oh my god, this is super cute, don't you think? If you own a ColorFit Pro 2, let me know how your watch face is and how you like the update. Till then, see you next time.